So today's case study is on Avian. In the picture, you can see the bottle of Evian. This is French brand and owned by Danone Group. It has entered into the US market and in many other markets. And since 1978, it is there in the US market, and it is a brand of mineral water. So basic product is mineral. So water is nothing. So if I ask you for which product you would like to work, you would like to work in a company which should sell what kind of products? So you may say FMCG products, IT products, banking products, or any something else. But you would not definitely like to work for a company which is selling a mineral water, because you may think that what is there to work. There is no need to work for a company which is selling mineral water. But today in this case study, we are going to see what all aspects we have in selling just mineral water. Also, how this brand has grown, why this brand is number one brand in this category, why they are charging premium price, and how they are communicating to the customers. So Evian is one of the most famous mineral water brands owned by the French food products group Danone. So Danone Group must be knowing, you must be knowing the Danone Group. It is a very famous group. It has got lot of products, milk products and other products, and they are into food products. And the basically brand is from uh, France. So country of origin is France. Each year, approximately 1.5 billion bottles are sold in more than 140 countries across the world. So 1.5 billion is almost 1,500 uh, 1,500 million. So 150 crores bottles are sold in 140 countries across the world, and price is premium. You just have to remember they are selling uh, 150 crore bottle annually at premium price. Brand profile: 1.5 billion mineral water bottles they are selling across 140 countries annually, and their brand value is 1,000 $27 million, 1,000 million dollar, and it is owned by the French group Danone. So these are the product portfolio. This is the product line. They have different kinds of water bottles. So everyday services, home, work, sports, and travel, and you can have a water bottle in 1.5 liter, 1 liter, 750 ml, 500 ml, half liter, and 330 ml. Then it is these are the bottles on everyday service for the home, for the work, for the sports or travel. In a special occasion, in hotel, restaurants, and clubs, they have different kind of bottles, slightly uh, slightly different, unique, beautiful looking, aesthetically good bottles, and they are into 750 ml and 330 ml. And for the facial sprays, they have in the 300 ml, 150 ml, and 50 ml. According to the market research company Millward Brown, the Avian brand can be valued at 1027 million US dollar. Success of the brand. So it is 1000 million is $1 billion. Success of the brand is a result of continuous innovation and powerful and original communication. So success of the brand is their advertisement, integrated marketing communication, their promotional activities, promotional factors, promotional mix, and the communication they are doing it with their customers and other people. At the end of the 19th century, Evian water, which was sourced from the natural spring, became known for its miraculous healing properties and was being sold in pharmacies. So you can see the location in the slide from where they are getting that mineral water, and they believe that the water which is there had some uh, miraculous ingredients. Because of that, it is good for the health, and it is healing the diseases. So by mid 1930s, Evian was recommended as the perfect water for babies. So that's why you can see in their advertisement, you will see a lot of babies are there, and we will see how they are advertising, how they are focusing on the babies through their advertisement, because this product they think that it is good for the babies. The campaign designed to target mothers, midwives, and doctors were developed consequently. In the 1950s, Evian was still catering to this segment, but its communication added a new reference to health, and the theme of the Alps was introduced. So they come up with the Alps theme and health theme, and they started advertising. In the 1980s, the brand decided to go in a different direction, and the concept of equilibrium, the force of balance, was dropped. So they wanted to have very good positioning, very good branding. So they were trying different themes. The theme of the purity was chosen to differentiate the brand from the competitors and enable high end positioning of the product. So at the last they stopped, after some time, after a period of time, they stopped at the purity theme, and they started selling their product at high price. Their product become a luxurious product, quality product, and they started using price skimming for this product. So I am what I drink. So this is one of the their advertisement, print advertisement. So this is persuasive and reinforcement advertising. The company adopted a new slogan to reflect this change. The water you drink is as important as air you breathe. So water is as important as air, or water is as important as oxygen, that you, because of that you survive. That was the slogan. So you can see in the picture, the water you drink is as important as the air you breathe. So the focus was on purity, and they want to have parity, point of parity with the oxygen that you breathe. So they want to show the importance of their water, to drink on after period of time. If you don't drink, it is like oxygen. If you don't drink, like, you may die, or you may your immunity may decrease. In 1998, Avian, in association with its advertiser BETC Paris, launched the hugely successful ad campaign Water Babies, that had babies swimming in synchronicity, a metaphor through which the brand evoked the youth. So you must have seen this advertisement in which people, whenever they are watching in the glass, they are thinking that uh, they can see their childhood, they can see themselves as a baby. So that was the theme, and that's how they started advertising. In France, the approval rating for this ad was 94%, and the recognition score was 91%. So initially they started with the water babies, and then the new campaign was roller babies, and the next ad campaign was baby and me. The Water Babies campaign, the campaign of Evian, made the brand evoke youth that had through babies swimming in the synchronicity. So why they were focusing on the babies? That they want to show that their brand is targeted towards youth, or if after consuming that product you will become youth, or you will not age, you will not become old, your age will stop. That's why they want to have a point of parity, similarity with the babies. Roller Babies campaign, this ad was an instant hit and big success, and spawned over 254 million views. It currently holds the record of the most number of views on the YouTube, and it holds Guinness World Record in this category. So this is the campaign, that babies and me, and water babies, roller babies, and baby and me. So this shows uh, their childhood when they are watching in the glass. or in a mirror. This television commercial had a very strong impact on the collective conscious of the people. So people got attracted toward this advertisement, and this theme and marketing campaign was successful. Globally, the brand focused on the purity and used the slogan "the original." So after this, after purity, they come up with the next theme, that is original, and it became their slogan. The press advertisements portrayed, for example, a beautiful black angel lying on a white cloud who brought down rain with the bottle of Evian, or a mermaid quenching her thirst with the Evian water. So they started using black angel who is bringing good water, uh, medicinal water which has got very good qualities, and that they black angel brought that water from the white cloud. And second is mermaid. Basically they use mermaid to for the advertisement. Despite the differences in the product positioning based on the markets, the brand has always been conscious of its upscale image. So from the first, they started focusing on the premium image. They wanted to sell their product in a luxurious category as a quality product, and they want associated this product as a status symbol. The economic crisis of 2007 and 2009 had a negative effect on the market for the mineral water. The sales dropped as more and more consumers turned to less expensive water. So in 2007 and 2008, economic crisis happened. Lot of people they lost their job. Lot of people they lost their income, savings, and because of that, people could not. Most of the people could not able to afford luxury like spending more on the mineral water. So no more money, no now what to do? And consumers turn to less expensive water. They started going for the cheaper options, substitutes. Brand needs a reconstruction. So in this situation, brand needs repositioning. Uh, because they were not having any money left with them. They started compromising on the other brands or other cheaper brands, and this brand was more costlier than this Evian brand was more costlier, or three times to four times costlier than the fruit juices or the soft drinks. It was most costlier than three times more costlier than soft drinks. That's why people could not able to afford in 2008 recession period. During this time, the brand went through the restructure to keep from losing its market share. As a result, Evian has a premium and popular positioning in the France, Switzerland, UK, Belgium, while it is in a luxury brand in almost all other countries. So you can say in France, UK, and Switzerland, it is a they want to showcase it as a premium brand, and USA, Asian countries, Gulf, and Australia, it is considered as a luxury brand. So I think luxury difference between premium brand in luxury brand is catered towards very rich people, and brand can be targeted towards middle class or upper middle class. This is due to the fact that in Europe the brand is sold in every supermarket, whereas in many other countries across the world the brand is sold only in urban centers. Even generates 50% of its sales outside of France. So basically, what they want to what they what this slide want to tell you, or what this slide gives the information, like in UK, basically everywhere that product is available in superstores, in other shops also. So you cannot say that product is a luxury product, because if the distribution is intensive, distribution is not exclusive, everywhere you can see the brand, then brand cannot be considered as a luxury brand. That's why they started selling the product at a premium rate. And in USA, Asian countries, Gulf countries, and Australia, it was only sold in the cities. So they have opportunity to position them it as a luxurious brand. One more thing is 50% of the sale is coming now from the outside France. A bottle of Evian can reach three times the price of the regular soft drink. The brand caters to a very narrow urban market, and it therefore felt the need to unify its brand communication in favor of something more global. So, in other countries, like in Asian countries, brand is only con- confined to city market. That's why they have to come up with the global positioning. It is in this regard that Evian and BETC decided to pick up from where the Water Babies left off and launched the Roller Babies campaign. So from Water Babies, the next theme was Roller Babies. Health and purity of the Alps were abandoned in favor of a single message: Live Young. So other the previous theme was health and Alps. Alps is the type of trees in France. So that positioning they dropped, and next position was Live Young, and they relate that positioning to the babies. This advertisement was broadcasted, that is Roller Babies. That advertisement was broadcast around the world and went on to become the one of the most watched ads ever the YouTube, with the 254 million views, and he held the Guinness World Record in this category at one point. So Roller Babies was huge success, and it was Guinness World Record, and it is appreciated and discussed everywhere. It was the advert of the year for Time magazine. This was the advertisement of the year for Time magazine, as well as Wall Street Journal, as well as The Guardian. It was also the 20% most effective ad ever. Source GfK, France, Belgium, and Germany. In Asia, however, the consumers did not understand quite well the relationship between Evian, seen as a pinnacle of luxury, and babies on rollers dancing to the hip hop music. So there was some disconnect. Some people they could not able to understand how dancing babies on hip hop music, how you are relating that babies with the a product like mineral water. So this was little bit little bit irrational, illogical. But the thing was that their product was basic, very basic product like mineral water. Water is easily available everywhere, and to differentiate that they need to have some good theme, and they cannot the fun is the only theme which they can think of. So they associated that with the babies, so that you should feel smile, you should enjoy, the advertisement should be rememberable. That's why they use this theme. BETC then had the idea of creating t-shirts with the images of the baby bodies and launched a campaign showing people of all ages dressed in these tees. So next campaign was t-shirt, Evian t-shirt, and when you wear that t-shirt, on your t-shirt there is a body of the baby, and it was very attracting. It was very fascinating. The Evian's campaign main target to make the brand market in Asia. So in Asia, that advertisement became very popular, and that their target was to penetrate in the Asian market. Avian launched the T-shirt with the babies of images of the baby bodies, and this campaign got huge success globally and created Avian's brand awareness. With this, the advertisers wanted to represent their brand as one that keeps adults young at heart. And t-shirts were t-shirt advertisement campaign was a huge success globally and created desired brand awareness. So they want to relate their product with the youthfulness. That's why they were showing the baby. In 2013, Avian launched Baby and Me, its third major campaign with its BTC since 1998. BTC was the advertising agency. This commercial used a baby and adult mirror dancing concept to highlight their Live Young slogan. The idea behind this video was to allow the consumers to reconnect with their inner child and in line with the brand promise. So along with the youthfulness, we know that everybody has a child in their mind, and everybody want to do some musty, uh, some fun. So that's why they are saying that everybody has a child in their mind. So everybody has inner child, so they want to connect with that child, that moment. Since 2009, the EVN's global brand communication strategy has been focused on the global digital and traditional media. So they started using internet and social media. With the web, EVN can target precisely and reach masses easily, and is one of the top brands viewed online. The brand has also always cultivated a strong presence outside the internet. Since 2007, it has carried out several promotional operations with limited edition glass bottles signed by the major designers such as Paul Smith in 2009, Issey Miyake in 2010, and Kenzo in 2014. So you can see in the slide that there are limited edition glass bottles signed by the major designers such as Paul, Issey, and Kenzo. So different years they have different type of bottles, and it is signed by the designers. EVN has also been accredited with the creating the first women's golf open championship. So earlier only men's golf open championship was there. So this EVN started women's golf championship. Today it is considered as one of the major tournaments in the Europe, and is broadcast live on the television in 167 countries. EVN is the official water brand for the Wimbledon tennis tournament. The brand is also sponsor for the Paris fashion shows. So in drinking water category, the EVN always used to sponsor the sports competitions and fashion shows. Now, this Maria Sharapova is and Madison Keys are the tennis player who are the brand ambassadors of the EVNs. So that's how they are advertising or making increasing their brand awareness. In addition to this, EVN supports a variety of causes linked to its brand territory. It is committed to the protection of the environment through the creation of the schools of water to help the population manage their water sources in an autonomous and sustainable way. So they are into water safe water drinking category. So they are helping preparing some institutions, some NGOs through which these target of safe drinking water to be provided to the people and to the community, to the society, is should be achieved, and environment conservation can happen. So they are into social activity also. It has also it has developed partnership with the Red Cross and offers fellowships in pediatrics, thereby affirming its positioning on the health and children. So in the photograph you can see there is a partnership with the Red Cross, uh, which is very big NGO globally. Now questions are: EVN is a global mineral water brand, and that is sold to millions of the people across the world. Analyze the reasons for its success. So first of all, EVN was having a good product, that they are bringing that water from a particular place, and it has got some good ingredients which is healing the diseases, which is making you healthy. So again, that is the first product is good. Then they are in this category for so long time. So they have developed that particular brand well. They have globally expanded. So that is third advantage. Then their advertisement, integrated marketing, communication, promotion are very good. They have used the fifth is they have used proper themes in the advertisement. Next is they have used youthfulness, purity, originality as their key words for the advertisement. So there are many strengths for this uh, brand. They have also a huge portfolio, and they have accurately segmented their uh, products. What are the markets for the customers? What will be the strategic evaluation of the brand's communication? So we discussed that Earlier, the brand was focusing on the water babies as the advertisement campaign. Then roller babies, it was the next campaign. Then the next campaign was the baby and me, when somebody was looking in the mirror and in some building in reflection, the baby image they for that person could able to see. So that was the third marketing campaign. First was babies, the baby swimming babies, like, what was the uh, first campaign? Water babies was the first campaign. Then next campaign was roller babies, where babies were dancing. In the first campaign, babies were swimming synchronously, syn- in in a synergetic way. The next was baby and me, and the next was purity, the original, where the themes. The next was their t-shirt campaign and live young campaign. So they were having lot of marketing campaign over the period of time. uh, then third question, I think second question we have answered. What will be the strategic evolution of the brand's communication? Yeah, that we have discussed just now. Then next is, can any other mineral water brand ever take over EVN's market share? So there is always competition, and there is scope for the competitors to take over EVN's market share. So any other company, if they can understand the customers requirement, customers need in a in more better way than EVN, and if they position themselves better than the EVN, and if they have a good parent company, good backup from the parent company, their if their financial resources and investment is good, then they can surpass the EVN share market, EVN's market share. And if the brand is coming from the companies like Amazon, Apple, or any other company like Nestle, Cadbury, Mars, then they have a capacity to overtake the EVN's market share. Now, campaign for the EVN waterway. First was Baby and Me, then Live Young campaign was there, Water Babies campaign was there, Roller Babies campaign was there, then Mermaid quenching her thirst with the EVN water campaign was there, then Beautiful Black Angel lying on the white cloud who brought down rain with the bottle of the EVN campaign was there, then Water You Drink is as important as air you breathe campaign was So in this slide you will get the answer number one, answer to the question number one, what all campaign they have. Then I'm showing you the billboards, how they are advertising, then the bus stops and the buses, and public places, how they are advertising. You can say on the if they are advertising on the buses, so buses moving all across the city, they have every day they have this thing, uh, they have their traveling journey. So a lot of people every day they can watch on the billboards. Also the same thing, people are traveling, so every day they are watching. A lot of people they come to the bus stop, so they every day they can watch this advertisement. Through the internet they are using Facebook and Twitter, and on the slide you can see how they are advertising. They have a lot of followers, and a lot of people are posting and liking and sharing their videos, images, and news. Then through the print ads, you can see on the slide, we have Sharapova. She is the brand ambassador, and other print advertisement you can see. Then television ads they have, in which Spider-Man advertisement was very famous, in which when Spider-Man was looking in the mirror, he can see his childhood, or he can see him himself as a baby. So it was in 2014. Then brand message was from the EVN was Live Young. Campaign results, if you see the social media, there were 32 lakhs views, 55 lakhs impressions, 2 lakhs clicks. Click rate was 6%. 20 2 lakhs people shared their videos, and engagement rate was 12.775%. And across the world, across the globe, they have also give you views percentage by country. So in USA it was 29.3%. Next is how was the video shared. That all statistics also they have on the Facebook. It was 1 lakh 74 times, in Twitter 14,000 times, Google Plus 11,000 times, Pinterest 9,000 times. Then in other social media also they have statistics. So 2 lakhs time the video and their post are shared. And Facebook, on the Facebook they had uh, 41 lakhs likes, and engagement rate is 12%. So they are also monitoring their campaign, their presence on the Facebook. You can see in the graph, and the statistic also we have about interaction, about comments, about likes, and about shares. Then on Twitter also we have statistics. How many followers are there? How many likes? How many shares we have? How many tweets we have? 57,000 tweets we have, and there are examples of the tweets. So on YouTube, they have their presence more than 50 millions, that is 5 crore views on the YouTube, 1 lakh 68,000 likes, and 13,000 comments. The ad was YouTube's most popular branded video in May 2013, the only branded video in the video top 10. Then they are advertising the brand like don't just drink, even it, like we say thanda bole to coca cola, thanda matlab coca cola, like that they are advertising don't just drink, drink, even it. So we say we google it, we say xerox it. So they are saying even it for drinking. So this is the T-shirt campaign. The EVN's campaign main target to make brand popular in Asia, and it got huge success. And regarding ad campaign, they are considering various factors. They are properly preparing advertisement campaign after a lot of ideas. Then I have identified target market accurately. They have they have studied all the cultures, and they have introduced their brand in various cultures. Then regarding marketing strategy, the brand is premium, brand is into luxurious category, and they are selling their brand as per the economical factors and the area study. After studying economical factors and geographical factors, that area uh, is studied before launching the product. And they are also sponsoring games, fashion shows, and they are also donating to the Red Cross. So they are doing social activities also. So this is all regarding EVN. So thank you very much for watching this case study.